Welcome to the SQL interview series of Data Millennials. I'm Atul, and in this video we are going to see that how we can write a query to change a particular department name from department ID 1 to 2 and change the another department name from department 2 to department 1. So most often in an interview, the interviewer will ask you to change a particular value of a particular column, but you do not have to use the update statement. So what the interviewer will ask you is that you have to change this department 1 to department 2. So the analytics will get department ID as department 2 and this finance will get updated as department 1. But you do not have to use the update statement. You just have to change the department name in your output. So it's the classic example of data updation or data manipulation, you can say that, or data cleaning. So for example, suppose by mistake in your database this department 1 has been tagged as analytics, but actually it is department 2. So you have to correct it. So let's go to our SQL workbench and see how we can do that. For this example, we will use the department detail table. So before we write the query, we should see what all details do we have in our table. So simply I'll write select star from SQL interview dot department details. Now you have department ID and department name, and the question is to change this department 1 to department 2 and department 2 to department 1. Rest everything will remain same. Okay. So to do that, what we can do is that we can simply use if statement, or the alternative of the if statement is the case statement, which is much more easier and efficient way of writing the if else statement in SQL. So what I will do is that I'll simply use case statement here after this star. So I'll put case when department ID is equal to DEP-01, then put DEP-02. Okay, then I'll put another statement saying that when the department ID is equal to 02, then put it as 01. And after that I'll put a else statement, else use the default value of the department ID, else department ID, and then I'll put the end statement in. After end I have to put, or I have to give an alias of this new column which is the correct department. So I'll put as correct department ID. So let's run this query. Now you can see that this department 01 has been changed to department 2 and this department 2 has been changed as department 1, and the column name is correct department ID. So this is how you can use this case statement to change a particular column's value based on the previous value that they have. And once the previous value is matching with your condition, then you can give the new output or the new values over there. If you want to learn more about SQL, you can click on the left hand side of this video, or if you want to practice SQL interview question, you can click on the right hand side of this video. Happy learning and see you in the next video.